Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to find USDT wallet address on crypto.com. So now let's begin. The first thing we need to do is open our crypto.com application. Then, click on Account tab in the bottom part of the screen. Now, click Crypto Wallet. After that, click on Transfer and you will need to click on Deposit. And here, you will be able to see various types of cryptos you can deposit. We just need to click on Tether. Now, you will be asked to select the network. You just need to click on the network that you want. And then afterwards, you will be able to see the USDT wallet address and even a QR code. And that is how to find USDT wallet address on crypto.com. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.